which ones you want, Lucy.
That's fine.
Oh, yeah. I didn't get it.
Sorry. There you go. There you go.
That's the one on my head.
Oh, yeah. Well, that's pretty cool, huh?
Yeah, exactly. What's coming?
Go for it. Yeah.